Good morning, everyone. Finally, after much dilly-dallying and after much reconsideration, I have decided to come up with some videos regarding the use of English in day-to-day life. There are some common mistakes that everyone, whether they may be in schools, whether they may be in colleges, whether they may be the teaching staff, whether they may be the learning students, whether they may be in the executive posts, or whether they may be in clerical posts, everybody makes some common mistakes. And that is because most of people think that English is a language just to pass. Pass जाल्यार पुरो. English हो सब्जेक्ट पास जाल्यार पुरो. पर्संटेजीची आमकां व्हडलीशी गरज ना किंवा ती चड जाणून घेवपाची गरज ना. बाय हार्ट केल्यार पुरो. बाय हार्ट करून बरयलें की जालें. खंयचीच लँग्वेज बाय हार्ट करून बरयली म्हणून ती येना. Language is not to be by hearted. Language is to be understood, retained, and expressed in a way that suits you the best. For that, you need to have a very good vocabulary, rich in phrases and words that exactly express what you would like to say. Now, how are you going to do that? Now, there are students who go to English medium schools. There are students who go to Marathi medium schools. But at some point of time, when they pass on to the middle school or the high school, all the subjects are in the language specified by the Director of Education, that is English. And why not? Because English is a global language. Those who stress on the education in regional language, on the primary education in regional language, are not wrong. But at the same time, they cannot deny English its place of honor, much to the chagrin of all that are concerned, in the world as a global language. Whatever may be the reasons for English being a global language. There are historical aspects, there are cultural aspects, there are different kinds of religious aspects as well. Then there is the script controversy also. Regardless, you cannot beat English at its globalization, or its global application in the whole world. If someone does not know how to speak English, rather write English, then that person cannot, I wouldn't say survive. Survive is a strong word to be used. It would be like insulting the other languages that people use. But if you do not know how to write English or speak in English fluently or express in English as a communication language, as a communicative language, then you are lagging behind in a very important aspects of global communication. It depends upon the teachers as well as the students how they take it, as well as the circumstances they grow up in. Also the family background on how a student or how a child takes or regards language as. And that applies for all, not just English, but more so for English, because they find it difficult. It is made so, actually. If their base is correct and they are tested in a way that they should be, not just by hearting and writing the answers, but if they understand and learn to write in their own languages with the devices they have at their disposal, which may include idioms, phrases, words, sayings, the use of adjectives, adverbs to express themselves, then a child will never lag in the language. But generally, at least in Goa, what I have seen is students understand English as a language to get passing marks. More so in the villages. There are exceptions to every rule. I don't say everyone is like that. There are exceptions to every rule. But generally, villages have students regarding English as just a subject to pass on. Pass जावपा पुरतो शिकल्यार पुरो. पास जावपा पुरतो जेन्ना शिकतात तेन्ना ती लँग्वेज शिकनात तुमी, तेन्ना तुमी एनी अदर सब्जेक्ट जशें तुमी हिस्ट्री बाय हार्ट करतात तशें बाय हार्ट करून शिकतात, मार्क मेळटले तुमकां. यू गेट गुड मार्क्स टील 10th. I cannot deny you that because you by heart and write. By hearting and writing and understanding and writing with a rich book, having a rich vocabulary is a totally different thing. Now, how are you going to have a rich vocabulary? Students these days or people these days read very less. Read very less, not as in reading your SMSs or chatting on WhatsApp or on posting on social media, but as such in life. They do not read anything besides newspapers. No book reading, nothing. Not everybody has a habit of reading. Now some may have a reading habit of other languages as well. I do not deny that. That's good. They will be good. They will be rich in the vocabulary of the language of their choice, but not in English. And how do you enrich your vocabulary? That is a matter for another video. But right now, what I would like you to say, like you to know, that I'm going to put up videos in accordance with what I feel through all those years of experience I have had with one-to-one interaction with all my students who are well on their way of in becoming doctors, engineers, dentists, teachers, professors, because I'm not talking about 1 or 2 years of teaching. I'm talking about 15 years of dedicated teachings on one-to-one basis, because in my coaching classes, I do not have a batch more than 10 students because I like it that way. I may not be rich in money, but I'm rich in experience, and my students can vouch for that. Now, coming to the point, there are different ways we pronounce words. Now, you would say it depends upon one's vocabulary, one's regional language on which they talk. Yes, indeed. But then there is something called as standard English. The standard English does not have words like re, mugo, hoimare, borasamare, how are you re? No. That is linguistic application of the local language. एक संस्कार म्हणून जातात. प्रत्येक भाशेचेर एक दुसऱ्या भाशेचो संस्कार जाता. जसो कोंकणीचेर पोर्चुगीज भाशेचो म्हणजे संस्कार जाल्लो आसा. जशे कितल्याशेच शब्द आमी मराठी वापरतात, कोंकणी वापरतात, इंग्लीश वापरतात, तशे तरेन इंग्लिशेनूय बी बाकीच्या भाशांचो संस्कार जाल्लो आसता. चुकीचो सदांच आसना तो, पूण जेन्ना आमी खंयची एक भाशा उलयतात तेन्ना ती भाशा स्पश्ट उलोवंक येवंक जाय ह्या मताचें हांवें आतां हो व्हिडियो काडला आसतना म्हाका पूर्ण इंग्लिशीन काडूंक येतालो, पूण पूर्ण इंग्लिशीन व्हिडियो तुमकां खूब मेळटले. सगळ्यांकूच इंग्लीश इतली समजता अशी ना. जांकां समजना तांच्या खातीर हांव आसा. तांकां कसले व्हिडियो जाय किंवा कितें प्रॉब्लेम जाता हें तांणी कॉमेंट बॉक्सान सांगत जाल्यार हांव त्या प्रमाणे व्हिडियो काडूंक शकतलें. म्हजो एकूच एडवांटेज आसा, हांव तिनूय भाशांनी इंग्लीश शिकोवंक शकता. हिंदी जावं इंग्लीश जावं मराठी जावं कोंकणी. जांकां जशें समजता त्या लेवलीचेर देवून हांव शिकोवंक शकता. तेन्ना जेन्ना हांव शिकोवंक शकता तेन्ना हांव व्हिडियोय काडूंक शकता जे एप्लिकेबल नॉट ओन्ली गोवन्स बट दोज हू ऑल नो कोंकणी वेल, दोज हू हॅव प्रॉब्लम्स इन एक्सप्रेसिंग देमसेल्स. कितलेशेच फावट आमी अशें करतात की कोंकणीन जें आमी उलयतात तेंच आमी ट्रान्सलेट करून इंग्लिशीन बरयतात, वीच इज नॉट द जनरल लँग्वेज, जनरल इंग्लीश दॅट इज एक्सपेक्टेड ऑफ अस. So now I end the video with a promise to come back with lots of new videos, all depending on what you want me to talk about or what you want me to tell you about from my quiverful of arrows of experiences, different experiences in different walks of life, in different places, in different states, with different people of different regional languages. Please do tell me. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.